I guess I'ma watch some TV.
Don't have a dad? Don't worry, welcome to Treeville Adoption Center.
Yep, that's enough. I'ma go to sleep. Time to sleep. Okay, time to go watch some TV. Oh my God, there is a flood. I gotta pack my stuff until it gets worse. Let's see what city we can go in. Oh, I see we can go to Treevills. We arrived in Treevills. Still raining, I gotta keep moving. My gosh, the flood is here. My God, it's a bad flood, I guess. Ow, my hand. Oh, a building. Hey kid, are you okay?
Yes, please help me.
Okay, just stay there. Okay, when I break the window, we jump. Jump.
Okay.
Come on, jump.
I'm scared. Well, okay. Ah.
That was close. We finally found Higher Hill. Hello. Oh, Mom, yeah, I know, but I promise I'm coming. Oh, okay, just make sure you're in a safe place. What? Why service is off? Are you serious right now? Oh gosh, flood is coming.
Oh no, I'm scared.
Look at town.
Look
Please
at
me.
me, I'm the Alpha.
Hey, sir, what are you doing? Sir, you must wait in line, sir. Sir, what are you doing?
Get out of my way, son of a bitch. Come on, guys, what are you waiting for?
Yeah.
Dang it, it's stuck. I guess we go on the roof. Who has a shirt to use as a flag?
I will do it.
Okay.
Wait, was the bandage there in your hand before?
I don't know.
Well, okay.